Just imagine every business educated, improved, and inspired. Welcome, my name is Eric. This is a new approach to business education and improving your business. Each class includes a V-textbook and a live iWorkshop inspiration. After you register for an iWorkshop, you can watch anytime and as often as you like a 20 to 30 minute video. It's a virtual video. It's a textbook full of information, tips, advice, insights, and yes, homework assignments. Then we gather in small groups for a live on-screen workshop. Together we will review and discuss your answers to the homework in your class and help you inspire your business. Each class is intended for every person in every level of business. Here are just a few areas for improvement and classes to help your business. Awareness, education, and I guess you'll just have to attend to learn the third word. Here's a great one. Tips for making your office safe for everyone. Safety and health for you, your clients, is simply the right thing to do. In the world of team building, there are some great classes. Expectations of fun. Discover how setting expectations of fun can easily and effectively motivate your team. And you watch a circus trick. The color gray. Learn to change your perception of those with experience, regardless of their age. It takes a village. That's about how to understand the secrets to motivating and empowering every team. Marketing and sales, several classes. Smile or not. Confrontation management. Learn how to react to any situation with a simple, positive approach that changes everything. Body language for professionals. This was first presented in 2013 at the International Builders Show. This is a must for everyone when we are young. Discover how age grouping may affect your business and how to use that. Here's a great one. The secret of amazing presentations. Smile. Learn the secret of how to overcome your fear of presentations and embrace one of the most powerful, effective, fastest, and most profitable marketing tools you have. Presentations, whether it's live or on screen. When you put on the big red suit, branding you and your business. What about managing change? Just turn the ocean around. Here's a great one, how to manage change around you. Here's another great class, an old carpenter's idea. Discover the wisdom of one old carpenter who has helped thousands of businesses from splitting and losing their inherent strength when the inevitable changes occur. The first class, what do you do? But do not talk about your job. This is a tough one. This will help you discover your true purpose in business. And it includes the secret of the 6-second hook. Registrations are now open on our website. See you soon, everyone. Bye-bye.